Now the another term come here is the immunization. Immunization is a process by which the active immunity against the infection is produced. This is done by administering a vaccine. A vaccine is a small dose of an antigen belonging to the infectious agent, and this antigen in the vaccine produce the primary response. Primary response in this primary response, the memory cells are generated out, and the immune system retain these memory cells of the antigens. And when this take place again inside our body, the same antigen and enter inside our body, the secondary response took place and destroy this antigen more effectively. And this immunization is used to prevent a variety of infectious diseases. And the vaccine may consist of the killed microorganisms like the typhoid vaccine, like the cholera vaccine, salt polio vaccines. These are the killed microorganisms, and the other are the live attenuated forms such as the 7 polio vaccines and BCG vaccines. In this, they are lively attenuated by growing them in the unfavorable conditions so that they loses their virulence part, but all the structures are similar and can be recognized by our immune cells. And some of the toxoids are also used in the form of vaccines such as tetanus toxoid, diphtheria toxoid, and the other are the form of the vaccines. And the pure antigens such as the hepatitis B surface antigen eh, and the recombinant hepatitis B vaccines are also being used in the form of the vaccine. Here the feature of the what are the feature needed for the effective vaccine? It should be a safe. The vaccine itself should not cause any disease or a death. So it should be a safe one, and and it should protect against the illness from the exposure to the live pathogens to which it has been generated. So it should be a protective one, and the sustained effect. Protection should be a long lasting. These are the effective. These are the features needed for the effective vaccine. That it should be safe, productive, and the sustained.